Is LG a smart TV? Let's find out. Yes, most modern LG TVs are smart TVs, offering internet connectivity and access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. They run on LG's proprietary platform called WebOS, which is known for its user-friendly interface, smooth performance, and intuitive design. WebOS provides features like voice control via LG ThinQ AI, screen sharing, and a wide range of apps for entertainment. LG Smart TVs also support advanced technologies like 4K resolution, HDR, and OLED panels, delivering excellent picture quality alongside smart functionality. Whether you're streaming content, gaming, or browsing, LG Smart TVs provide a seamless experience. If you're looking for a reliable smart TV with great picture quality and an easy-to-use interface, LG is a solid choice. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.